How to solve fraction problems with PhotoMath app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. After that, launch the app on your phone. You don't need to sign up or log into your account. When you launch the app, it will directly open up your camera. From here, you can focus the camera on the fraction problem. Find the fraction problem that you want to solve. And now you need to capture that problem. For example, this is the fraction problem that I want to solve. I'll simply take a picture of that. While taking the picture, make sure that the problem is within this rectangle frame. I will capture in a way that it comes within the frame. I will click the picture. And there you go. The app will then provide the solution instantly. You can see the solutions over here. If you want to access the detailed step-by-step solutions, tap on the Show Solving Steps option. Here you'll see all the steps. If you want the explanation of any steps, you can simply tap on it and it will show you the detailed explanation of it. So that's it. That's a very easy process to solve the fraction problems in PhotoMath app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.